So let's now learn how to apply filters to images. And this tutorial, by the way, is one of the most fascinating tutorials because it's super important to learn how to apply filters to images. And as you can see, these days people love applying filters to images. And now you are going to learn how to do that in Python. So first of all, I'm going to create here a new function called apply filter. And then this function, the first thing that this function is going to do is obviously going to open the image that we are interested in. Let's apply our filter on the coconut image. So I'm going to copy the coconut image. I'm going to copy the image.open in order to open it here in this function. And then the second thing that we need to do is that we need to call a function called filter. And this filter takes a filter that is going to be given by Pillow library. So first we need to import a class called image filter. So I'm going to say here image filter. You need to import the image filter class, which is an awesome class. And then in that filter, we need to pass the image filter, and then we need to call whatever filter that this image filter provides. So you have many filters, as you can see. There's the contour, there's the detail. There are other filters as well. I'd highly recommend going through all of these filters and just apply them to your images and see which one is better for you. So I'm gonna apply the contour and see what's gonna happen. So after you apply that filter, you need to store the filtered image in a new variable. So I'm gonna say here coconut underscore filtered, and then filtered. And then after that we can open or show that coconut image filtered. So I'm going to say coconut filtered, and then I'm going to show the image. And by the way, you can save it. You can save it by just using the coconut filter and then save, and then specify where exactly do you want to save it. So I'm going to create here a new folder called images filtered, or filtered images, filtered underscore images. And then after I create that folder, I'm going to pass the location of that folder. So the path of that folder is this path plus the name of the new folder. So here I'm going to just pass the path and then / and then filtered underscore images. And then the name of the name that we want to give to that new image. Let's say coconut filtered, coconut underscore filtered, and then .jpg, which is the extension of that new image. And finally, we can just show it as we have seen here, show, and then we can now call this function and see what's going to happen. So I'm going to call the apply filter here, and I'm going to save and run our script and see what's going to happen. So I'm going to run our script here. So as you can see now, this is the new image. This is the filter that has been applied to the original image, which is awesome. It looks awesome. It's just like a drawing with a pencil. So this is a filter. This is the contour filter. You can test with another filter. Let's test with another filter. Let's say dot. So let me select another filter. Let's pick out the detail filter and see what's going to happen. So I'm going to save, and I'm going to run our script and see what's going to happen here. So after I save our script, what's going to happen is that it's going to be executed and the new image will pop up. As you can see, this is the filter. It's not different from the original image. It's not very different. Let's pick out another filter. Let's say here we have also the smooth. I'm gonna try the smooth more. And by the way, I'm gonna be providing you with a list of all of these filters so that you can select and test with all of these. So I'm gonna save and I'm gonna run our script. So as you can see, this is the smooth. This is the smooth more. It's kind of blurry, a little blurry. And let's also test another. Let's select another filter. So I'm gonna pick out another filter as well. So I'm gonna select the blur, and I'm gonna save and run our script one more time and see what's gonna happen. As you can see now, the script will be executed and the image will pop up. So this is the image. As you can see, it's blurry. And by the way, the image has been and should be saved in the filtered images. If you open the filtered images folder, you'll find that we have this coconut underscore filtered. If you click on it, it will be opened here, and you will see that the filter has been applied to this image. As you can see, it's blurry because we have applied the blur filter to this image.